Hello viewers, last time my MS Office key was expired and due to internet non-availability and some other issue, I couldn't renew my registration instantly. On the other hand, at that time I was working on some urgent Word document. So I went for alternate solution and the same is hereby shared with you. On screen please. Now let's open MS Word and you will see that the key has been expired. So let me select text and you can see all options including copy, paste, etc. has been locked. So nothing is working, and on the other hand, I was working on some urgent document in front of you. So I went for an alternate, and you will see the thumbnail of the same at the end of this video. Now let's open LibreOffice 24.8, which is completely free, and simply click Open File and then come to the document, locate it, and you can open each and everything including editing or your other requirement. Now I can edit it, I can change the font, colors, and it also does have all the facilities which NMS Word do have. Let's go for PowerPoint presentation and the same issue arises. So let me once again go to LibreOffice 24.8, which is completely free, and you will see the entire playlist thumbnail at the end of this video. So you can also download it, open the LibreOffice and locate the presentation file, and you will shortly see that editing almost everything is working perfectly and you can resolve your urgent work with this. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.